The advice on istighfar from the Quran. A man complained to Al-Hasan al-Basri, rahimahullah, about a drought. So he said to him, "Pray to Allah for forgiveness, do istighfar." Another man complained to him of poverty. So he said to him, "Pray to Allah to forgive you, make istighfar." Another man said to him, "Pray to Allah to bless me with a child." He said, "Pray to Allah for forgiveness, istighfar." Another complained to him that his garden was dry. He said to him, "Pray to Allah for forgiveness." We asked him about that, as to why he gave the same advice for all situations that were presented to him. And he, rahimahullah, replied, "This is not my personal opinion. For Allah Azza wa Jal says, 'Ask forgiveness from your Lord. Indeed, He is ever a perpetual forgiver. He will send rain to you in abundance and give you increase in wealth and children and bestow on you gardens and bestow on you rivers." Surah Nuh 10 to 12. Tafsir al-Qurtubi, rahimahullah, 18, 300, 1 to 202. Tafsir Surah Nuh 10 to 12. Increase in seeking forgiveness. Istighfar in your homes, on your dining tables, places, in your streets, in your markets, in your sittings, and wherever you may be. For indeed, you do not know at what time Allah's blessings will descend. Al-Hasan al-Basri, rahimahullah, Al-Bayhaqi, rahimahullah, Shub al-Iman. If you find yourself in confusion, then adhere to seeking forgiveness. Istighfar. Indeed, by seeking forgiveness, Allah opens up the way for the slave. Sheikh Muhammad ibn Salih al-Uthaymeen, rahimahullah, Sharh al-Kafiya ash-Shafiya, 389. Shaykhul Islam ibn Taymiyyah, rahimahullah, said, "Indeed, whenever I waver and become indecisive in my mind about an issue or about something, or get in a situation which is problematic for me, then I ask forgiveness of Allah, the Most High, make istighfar 1,000 times or more or less, until He opens my chest for me and solves the problem which I was confused about or found it difficult, even if at that time I was in a marketplace or in a masjid or in a mountain pass or a school, but that does not prevent me from the remembrance of Allah and asking for forgiveness until I achieve my objective." Al-Uqud ad-Durriya min Manaqib Shaykhul Islam Ibn Taymiyyah, rahimahullah, by Ibn Abdul Hadi, rahimahullah. Page 5, Dar Kutub al-Ilmiya, print, Imam Ibn al-Qayyim, rahimahullah, said, "Two things illuminate the heart: asking for forgiveness from Allah, remembrance, dhikr of Allah." Al-Wabil as-Sayyib, page 92, Imam Ibn al-Qayyim, rahimahullah,